Welcome to this video about audience identification on LinkedIn. After watching this video, you will be able to explain why audience identification is crucial for B2B advertising success. You will also be able to describe the key audience targeting options on LinkedIn and discuss how to use them. Reaching the right audience is one of the most critical factors for a successful B2B advertising campaign. LinkedIn, as a professional networking platform, offers highly advanced audience targeting capabilities that allow advertisers to connect with decision-makers and potential clients in a structured and meaningful way. Let's begin by understanding why audience identification matters in B2B advertising. In B2C advertising, businesses often target a broad consumer base. B2B marketing, however, requires precise audience selection to ensure ads reach professionals with the right job roles, seniority, and interests. A well-defined audience can help in various ways. It can increase conversion rates by ensuring ads are shown to decision-makers or key stakeholders in the buying decision. When marketing to businesses, reaching the right decision-maker is crucial, as they have the authority to act on the information and make a purchase. Defining the audience clearly also reduces wasted ad spend by eliminating irrelevant clicks. LinkedIn is perhaps the most expensive channel compared to Facebook or Google, where the cost per click or CPC could be very high. If ads are shown to professionals outside the target industry or job function, they are unlikely to convert, leading to budget inefficiency. For example, suppose a software company selling CRM solutions targets professionals in the retail sector. In that case, their LinkedIn campaign should focus on sales directors, business development managers, and operations executives who influence purchasing decisions rather than junior employees with no decision-making power. LinkedIn provides multiple targeting options that allow advertisers to refine their audience and improve ad effectiveness. Company-based targeting is essential for businesses that want to reach professionals within specific industries or organizations. You can focus on industries such as technology, finance, healthcare, retail, and many others to ensure ads reach businesses likely to need the product or service offered. Industry-specific targeting helps tailor messaging to a specific sector's pain points and needs. Businesses can also filter audiences based on company size, like small, mid-sized firms, large enterprises, or even revenue size. A software-as-a-service or SaaS provider, for instance, may focus on large enterprises that require advanced software solutions rather than startups. Company name targeting is ideal for account-based marketing or ABM campaigns, where advertisers target decision-makers within a specific list of companies. This is particularly useful when businesses want to reach high-value clients. Imagine a cybersecurity firm that wants to promote its services to large corporations. Using LinkedIn's company name filter, it targets IT managers and chief information security officers, or CISOs, at Fortune 500 companies. Job experience targeting to reach professionals based on job function, title, and seniority level, so that ads are seen by those with the authority to make purchasing decisions. Job function targets users based on broad job categories like marketing, sales, HR, or IT, enabling advertisers to target groups of professionals who share common responsibilities. Job title allows precise targeting of professionals with specific roles, such as HR director or head of procurement. Using job titles ensures the message reaches individuals with the exact responsibilities relevant to the offer. Seniority level helps advertisers reach decision-makers like managers, directors, VPs, and C-level executives rather than entry-level employees. Higher-level professionals have more influence over purchasing decisions. For example, a digital marketing agency offering LinkedIn advertising services targets marketing directors of mid-sized tech companies to promote its lead generation solutions. Demographic filters can further refine targeting. Advertisers can select global or regional targeting down to a city level to help businesses offering region-specific services or localized campaigns. Imagine a financial consulting firm targeting senior banking executives in the United Kingdom. It can use LinkedIn's location filter to refine its audience. Industries can benefit from demographic segmentation, such as age and gender. For example, a company selling professional development courses may tailor content to younger professionals looking to upskill. Interest and behavioral targeting allows businesses to reach professionals based on their activities and engagement on LinkedIn. Engaging users in groups like SaaS growth strategies ensures that ads reach professionals already interested in the subject matter. Targeting users based on their listed skills, like project management and data analytics, can help them benefit from specific solutions related to their expertise. Content consumption focuses on users who engage with specific industry topics, follow business influencers, or interact with certain types of content. This helps target professionals already interested in a company's field. For instance, a leadership training company can target professionals who are members of LinkedIn groups for HR executives and talent development professionals. Retargeting allows businesses to re-engage users who have previously interacted with their brand. Website retargeting shows ads to LinkedIn users who have visited the company's website, increasing conversions. Using the contact list upload strategy, businesses can upload email lists to target specific customers and reconnect with existing leads and clients. Lookalike audiences use LinkedIn's AI to find users similar to existing customers and expand reach while maintaining high-quality targeting. So, a SaaS company may use website retargeting to show LinkedIn ads to visitors who explored their pricing page but didn't sign up for a demo. In this video, you learned that B2B marketing requires precise audience selection to ensure ads reach the right professionals. LinkedIn offers highly advanced audience targeting capabilities. A well-defined audience helps to increase conversion rates and reduce wasted ad spend. The key audience targeting options on LinkedIn are company targeting for businesses that want to reach professionals within specific industries or organizations. Job experience targeting to reach professionals based on job function, title, and seniority level. Demographic targeting based on location, age, and gender. Interest and behavioral targeting based on their activities and engagement on LinkedIn, and retargeting to re-engage users who have previously interacted with the brand.